myself Anil Dobel, student. Today I am taking exercise 1.6 of chapter 1. This exercise is based on exponent power. So student, if we have a into a into a into a, so we can write it like a to the power 4, wherein a is base and 4 is power. Now if you have a number like 2 into 2 into 2, so we can write it as 2 into 2 to the power 3. Here base is 2 and power is 3. Now we have some laws of exponent. First law we have here a to the power m into a to the power n, so it will equal to a to the power m plus n. Example, we are taking a to the power 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4, so base is same. That's why it will 3 to the power 2 plus 4, 3 to the power 6 will come. All of you, second rule we have here a to the power m upon a to the power n. So whenever base is same and two things in divide, so it will be a to the power m minus n. So 5 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5 to the power 3 minus 1, so it is 5 to the power 2, and you can write it 5 to the power 2 is 25. Now another rule we have, if we have a to the power m whole power n, so we can with this power will multiply, so it will be a to the power mn. So it is 2 to the power 3 whole power 3, 2 to the power 9 will come. Now another rule we have a to the power m b to the power m. Power is same, base is different. Power is same, base is different, so it will come like a b to the power m, a b to the power m. We will take a b together and their whole power m we can write. Now fifth rule we have, if we have a to the power minus n, so it will equal to 1 upon a to the power n. If we have, example, I am taking 5 to the power minus 3, so it will equal to 1 upon 5 to the power 3. So there are 5 rules, and rules are very different. Once I am revising it again, a to the power m into a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. A to the power m b to the power m is equal to a b to the whole power m. A to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. Now exercise, some questions from exercise I am taking. So question number 1, it is given find 64 to the power 1.2. so 64 we can write a to the power 2. Whatever power we have here, we have to change this value according to that. Right now I am checking it, a to the power 2, so it will be 2 into 1 upon 2. 2 will be cancelled out, so a to the power 1 is 8. 8 is the answer. Another part we have here, a to the power 32 to the power 1.5. So first of all we will take 32 here and we will do it prime factorization, all of you. So it is coming like this. You know this in class 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is coming whole power 1.5. We can write this 2 to the power 5. So 1 whole power 1.5, so this will be cancelled out. 2 to the power 5 into 1.5, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 will the answer. Very simple question it is. Now another part we have here, part its second question. So what is the question number 2? Find 9 to the power 3 upon 2. This question is of the same type. So 9 we can write 3 to the power 2, so whole power 3 upon 2, 2 will be cancelled out, so 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27, into 3 we will do it here, so 27 will come. Now 32 to the power whole power 2.5, so 32 we can write 2 to the power 5 whole power 1.5, so 2 into 5 into 1.5 is equal to 2. Another question we have here, simplify 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1.5, so base is same. It will be added 2 to the power, this 15 is coming LCM, 10 plus 3, the 2 to the power 13, 115 will come after solving. Another part we have here, 11 to the power 1.2 upon 11 to the power 1.4. So whenever divide or division, so it will be in negative, power will be in negative. 11 to the power 1.2 minus 1.4. So when we are taking its LCM, so 11 to the power 2 minus 1.4. So 11 to the power 1.4 is coming. So these questions are very simple based on this formula. Thank you very much.